All right, hi everyone. Welcome to another awesome edition of our Hollow Feelers in interview. And today we are going to, dive into the transformation of Mr. Akshay, who's with me on the call here. Hi, Akshay.
Yeah, hi Sachin. How are you?
I'm doing well, Akshay, and thank you for, sharing your transformation today. Right? Let's get
Yes,
that, Akshay, and
yes.
let me just understand, first aspect, Akshay, like what exactly were, your challenges before, joining Self Healers Hub, what were your major gut health challenges you were facing and for how long?
Yeah. So for the past 4 years from 2022,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I had just joined TCS and I just shifted to a new place.
Mm-hmm.
And suddenly I developed like a abdominal pain.
Abdominal
And
pain, okay.
yes, it was not going away. In any meal I used to have the abdomen pain used to start coming, recurring.
Mm-hmm.
And once with it started with gut issues, but then it started affecting me mentally also. Like
Mm-hmm.
I was not very happy. I was
Okay,
disturbed all
okay.
the time, not able to focus
Mm-hmm.
on anything on my work.
Mm-hmm.
So th this was creating a lot of issues in my day-to-day life also. The small thing was leading, disrupting everything around my life. So then I just found you scrolling and I found your ad on Instagram. And that's when I just realized you had said that you will give, and I had tried all the medications, all the different doctors that I test, and nothing was going like helping me out. It was just temporary solution. Well,
Mm-hmm.
at that moment, it would give me relief, but the symptoms would come back.
So,
And
okay. So you used to go to the doctors or, take the medications, do the tests, but ultimately it was a temporary solution. You couldn't
correct.
see a complete solution from these.
Yes.
Understood, understood. So what actually, when you were scrolling, right, what actually made you feel we may be the right people to help you? What gave you that trust, Akshay, to join us?
Yeah, I had tried so much medications and this, and then in ad it says that you will help to relieve this pain without any medication, just through your natural
Hmm.
processes. And that kind of made me interested in this because I was tired trying all the things and it was nothing was happening. So then
Hmm.
I had decided to have a one-to-one call with you. And in that you explained your process and your depth of knowledge also on the subject impressed me. So that procedure was what attracted to me that like step by step how we are going to improve what foods, how to introduce you're going to introduce foods properly, normal foods. So that kind of intrigued me to join, and I'm glad I did.
Glad you did. Let's get into that. Right, Akshay. So, cut to 6 months down the line now, Akshay. How's your gut health now? What are your major transformations which you're proud of, Akshay?
I would say it like complete new Akshay, like 100%
Completely,
different.
Akshay. Wow.
Yes, definitely. The Akshay I was before joining was
Mm-hmm.
like dim, low energy, always worried about gut. Like even
Mm-hmm.
like if I was going out somewhere, there would be a tension behind my head. What if I eat and then it triggers my gut? But that is not the case anymore now. I'm just more confident now. The abdomen pain has gone zero. Gut has
Mm-hmm.
improved significantly overall. And that has also increased the quality of my life now. Like I can do other things without
Mm-hmm.
thinking about my gut or about my health. So it has improved my life kind of in a different way. You can say a new life kind of. So I would be very thankful for Sachin sir
You know,
for doing this.
I'm really grateful for the opportunity to have to serve you, Akshay. And I'm just very inspired and moved by what you just said because you said one word like 6 महीने पहले जो अक्षय था, now it's a new Akshay.
Correct.
right? And that's so powerful to hear, right?
Yes.
And a new Akshay, what do you think a new Akshay will start achieving in his life now?
I'm more confident about like achieving my goals, whatever I want to achieve now, and some clarity has been come into my life. Like the fundamentals are already set now because of the program, like what I need to do, so I don't have to worry about that more. This will help me to uh, increase my productivity more without uh, thinking about the basics which needed to be done earlier. So the foundation is set for me. So now I can go and be wherever I want to do and do whatever I want to without thinking twice. So it has given me confidence to achieve my goals. And yes, that's it.
That's more power to you, Akshay. I would like
Yes,
to thank you for taking the actions, putting in the time, following the process, and being in communication. Those are the three
yes,
secrets because of which Akshay, you are a new person now, with a completely fixed gut,
correct.
right? And same way, if you want to like reverse your gut issues like Akshay, you can reach out to us, guys. There's a link in the description here. Like you can go to our website and make sure that you can reach out to us and transform yourself. Thank you, Akshay. More power to you, and may you achieve more goals. Wishing you most and more. Thank you.
Thank, thank you so much.